Okay, now we will execute the application. So this is the application. um, as already described, this is the output window, and this procedure StoredProc with the return, it gets the output param value and lists here. Return value also listed here, place it here, and at the same time output and return value is shown here as also. Okay, these two controls are used to pass the parameters to the stored procedure. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to access the stored procedure with this button. So it doesn't expect any parameter. Also, there is no return value in the form of output param or return statement. So the procedure just executes a select statement inside it. So that's the output of this stored procedure. So since this stored procedure returns row and column of data, we use ADO.NET execute reader and the reader object to iterate through that result, and that result will get displayed here. So I'm clicking this, and you can see the results are displayed. So this is the output of first stored procedure listed in listing 1.1. Now we will execute the second stored procedure. So what I will give, I can see Auckland and CA, California, repeated multiple times. So now I will pass those parameters to the second stored procedure. The second stored procedure accepts two parameters, city and state. Then in the select statement, it makes use of those two parameters to filter the result. So I'll copy this and pass it as first parameter. Remove that command. Then I'll type CA. Okay, the parameters are ready. So before doing, I'm just clearing the output, and I'm choosing. I'm clicking the second button. Now this button click invokes the store to procedure in listing 1.2. That means that accepts two parameters, city and state. Based on that, the record filters are dynamic. Why? Because these parameters are substituted in the where class of the select query. If I click, you can see the filtered result. So this is also output from the stored procedure, second stored procedure. So I'm clicking clear now. Now let us execute the third stored procedure. This third stored procedure returns two output param and one return value. The return value is total count of record, and the output param also count of just a minute, I'll check that. So this is the third procedure. Okay, it takes the total author count based on the passed in parameter. So total number of authors that belongs to the passed in city, then total authors that belongs to passed in parameter state. If you see city and state, we are passing it as a input parameter, That means we actually send some value. And the other two is output parameter. That means we are assigning that here. Total number of author belongs to city and total number of author belongs to state. At the same time, we are returning the row count. This is just for demo purpose. The row count is set to the last executed value. So here it is 1. Highlighted it, it's 1. So that one will get returned. Okay, let's go ahead and execute that stored procedure. So we'll pass the same parameter and execute this. So it says number of author in same city is 15 and number of author in same state is 15. That means there are 5 authors in Auckland and there are 15 authors who belongs to state California. So execute here, you can see that there are 5 records written from Auckland. At least we can check that one. Output parameter, the first one returned 5. That means 5 author belongs to Auckland city. Here you can see the return value also displayed. So that's all. I am closing this video.